Good afternoon, everybody. This is Robbie here at Kris Willis RV, and I'm going to show you one of our new trailers. It's a Forest River Impression 290 BB. It's a 2022 year model, so it's a holdover ready to go. Walking around, this particular unit has the dual propane tanks. All of the water hookups are inside with the full pass-through storage. This particular unit has auto leveling. As we're walking around here, we're going to get to the back of the unit. This particular unit has a small door on the back. It's called a pack and play, a storage door. You can actually load your bunk room from the outside. Has a 2-inch receiver on the back, full walk-on roof. This particular unit has an outdoor kitchen, refrigerator, pull-out griddle top. And it's extended season camper. It has the 12-volt heated pads, the heated and enclosed accessibility, which that is the underbelly is easy to access. It's got the largest AC standard and the industry's largest furnace. We'll come on in. It has all kinds of nice features. I mean, it's got the true cabinet doors. It's got the range top oven with the pot and pan drawer, the period 12-volt refrigerator. Now this is my favorite. It has a hidden pantry. The pantry pulls open. We're going back to the bunkhouse area. Now this can actually be used for two things. It's a nice bunkhouse area, but I have a lot of people that wants an extra room. The wife wants a sewing room or a hobby room. These will actually raise up. You can take the bottom cushions out and you have a full room back here to be a hobby room. We'll cut back through. I'm going to pull these back down. They fall down very easily. Come back through. We have the trifold sofa for extra guests, a true table and chairs. Walking up. This unit has dual air conditioners. Has a very nice bathroom. Has the true walk-in bathroom. Has a porcelain commode. Come up in the bedroom area. Nice, spacious window above the bed.